Okay, so next tutorial, huh? So, we are looking at putting the lighting into different colours on Blender. So, I'm gonna go. Actually, no. I'm gonna keep the default cube, but I'm just gonna make a little bit of a scene here. So, I'm just gonna put some planes down. Let me bring this up a little bit, duplicate it, the scale. Okay, so. Then we also need a bit of a wall in the background, so just move that, rotate that to 90 so you guys can see what's going on, duplicate, rotate, 90. Okay, so when you're looking at doing different colours and lighting, like it's pretty easy to set up. So let me see. So let's put this on a rendered view. You can see that we already have a light within our scene on Blender, and it's a white light. So how do you change this? So what you're going to do is you're going to go over to the data section, which has got the little light bulb in green over here, and you're basically just going to go to the colours. Colour wheel right here, and you can change it. So that's all well and good, right? But what happens if you want multiple? You want multiple, right? So I'm just going to go G. I'm just going to move this to the side right here. If you want to add another light, you just go to light right here from the add section. And then you're going to go, I mean, you could do anything right now. You've got point, you've got sun, you've got spot, you've got area. We're going to be working with points today. So your point should appear in the middle there, so just press G. And you'll be able to bring it up. Now, as per lighting, you'll notice with this light you can't really see what's going on. So it's dull. It's extremely dull, right? So if you want to make this light brighter, just go to the power, and you've got 10 watts at the moment. And when you turn this up, so does your light. Pretty easy to work with. So if I leave that one there and I change it to blue, you see now I've got a blue hue. If you want to duplicate the lights, you can do. So you just press like Shift D and just use the axis to move it up and down, and then you can move this light across. So with this light also, you can change it to a different colour, like whatever you want, you know. Yeah, that's basically it for the lighting. And the lights do interact with one another, so if you've got a really dark area and you've got the red here coming in, it'll just light it up red, but if you come into the orange area here, you're making like a soft glow. The same way that if you come into the blue area, you're kind of making purples. So yeah, it's just like primary colours and all that kind of stuff, secondary colours. Yeah, that's just that's the basics of lighting. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe, and give us a follow if you're following already, I guess. If you're not following already, I should say. But, you know, yeah, have a great day.